guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK2, Unit 3. 左边那个红色的是我的。左边那个红色的是我的。So the right one on the left is mine. So first let's match the pictures with the words. And first one, 手表。手表. So you know that 手 means hand, right? So this is phrase connects hand, and which one do you want to choose? So maybe B, right? 手表 means that watch, so we choose B. And number 2, 报纸，报纸 newspaper, 报纸 so choose A. And number 3, 牛奶，牛奶 so we choose C. 房间，房间 E, right? Room or bedroom. 房间 And next, 丈夫，丈夫 husband, husband. And next one, 红色 right, 红色 so choose D. So the answers are B, A, C, E, F, D. Okay, so number 2, look at the sketch map and describe positions of the places in it. I want to tell you that this map, how to describe this map is very important for you in Chinese because it's not that simple, so just try your best. And first one, let's look at this 后边. 后边 means that behind or behind side. So this one, 左边 left side. And 后边 also means that back. And here 中间 middle. 中间 middle. And next 前边 front. 前边 front. 旁边 beside. Beside. And next 右边 右边 right side. So how to describe this? I will give you an example. For example, that 图书馆 library. Here 图书馆. Library locates behind the school building, right? So in Chinese we can say 图书馆在教学楼的后边。图书馆在教学楼的后边 right? We also can say 教学楼 so 教学楼 as a subject. 教学楼在图书馆的前边 right? Front. Front. So read twice please. I hope you can understand me. 图书馆在教学楼的后边。教学楼在图书馆的前边。So here is the special sentence with 在. So describe something is located or there is. We can also use another pattern like 图书馆前面有 so we use there be 有 sentence 教学楼 so I read again 图书馆前面有教学楼 okay so let's move to text 1 in the room A so 这块手表是你的吗？这块手表是你的吗？ Is this watch yours? 不是我的，是我爸爸的。It's not mine, it's my father's, right? So 多少钱买的？多少钱买的 How much does it cost? And here 3000多块，3000多块。So more than 3,000 yuan. Here you found that 的 and the number 1, number 2, number 3, right? So let's learn the grammar about 的 phrase. So 的 can be used after a pronoun, an adjective or verb to form a phrase which is equivalent to a nominal phrase with its head word omitted. For example, so we can use 我的 that equals to 我的书 so mine like in English mine equals to my book right so the first one 这本书不是我的 so this book is not mine and here 我的 equals to my book understand okay number 2这个杯子是昨天买的这个杯子是昨天买的 next 这块手表是你的吗这块手表是你的吗 so here we delete 手表 again because you mentioned here 这块手表 right and text 2这是今天早上的报纸吗不是 is this morning's newspaper no it isn't 是昨天的 it's yesterday's 你听是不是送报纸的来了你听是不是送报纸的来了 listen is that the man who delivers newspaper 我看一下不是是送牛奶的 let me see no it's the milkman so here 报纸 means newspaper 送 to send to deliver 一下 so we'll learn this numeral and used after a verb indicating an act or an attempt 牛奶 so milk so let's learn this numeral classifier 一下so 一下 is used after a verb to indicate a short action okay similar to the reduplicative form aa of a verb so lesson 8 we will learn that reduplication a verb or an adjective so here subject add verb add 一下我看一下 that means let me see indicate a short here indicate a short action 你休息一下吧 you take a short rest 我问一下老师 let me ask teacher so grammar number 3 the model adverb 真 here 真 adjective expresses here that means really indeed 真 so like is that true really or for example this one I will explain you so here 你真好 you are really good 今天天气真好 so this weather for today is very good 你女儿的房间真漂亮 so here 真 equals to very 非常真 and expresses an exclamatory mood so such a beautiful girl 真漂亮这个女孩真漂亮 express this mood okay so text 3 at home 这是谁的房间这是我和丈夫的 so whose room is this it's my husband and mine 旁边那个小的房间是我女儿的 so the small one beside is my daughter's 你女儿的房间真漂亮都是粉色的 your daughter's room is so pretty here so that means 真 right it's all pink 房间 so new words 房间 room 丈夫 husband 旁边 beside 真 really indeed 粉色 pink 粉 pink 颜色 that means color okay the last text in the office so have you seen my cup 你看见我的杯子了吗你看见我的杯子了吗 have you seen my cup 这里有几个杯子哪个是你的 here are a few cups which one is yours 左边那个红色的是我的 so the right one on the left is mine here you are 给你左边 left side 红色 right 红 right okay this is all text for today and unit 3 so we learned how to describe something that belongs to you right and we can use the. And we also learned that how to express the short action and how to express your surprising mood, right? Okay, this is all for today, and next time we'll learn Unit 4. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.